Hello everyone, this is Prince from Igbo Made, and today I did something I want to share with you guys. I created this flashcard game that you can play on Quizlet. It works just pretty much like Duolingo, but I guess it's pretty much better than Duolingo because in this flashcard game you can choose to play flashcards, you can choose to learn, you can choose to write. In writing, you're given a word and then you write the answer to it. In spelling, you hear the audio that I record and you write the spelling. In testing, you have many things to do. There's match game and plenty of things. I'm going to show you these one by one so you can know how to do this. Of course, I've used one of my lessons because I'm going to do this lesson by lesson. I've used one of my lesson, and that is the 30 one-word sentences. It's been a video you've all received very amazingly, and because of the way you've received it, I want to do something more for you. And I'm getting to the 250 words and phrases. I'm making that game available, and it's going to help you. It's going to boost your learning. It's better than Duolingo because this is native speaker handmade. So I'm going to show you this, and you know how you play the game when you follow the link. When you come to flashcards, when you click on flashcards, you would have to, pardon my network, it takes a little while to load. You come to, oh, my battery is low too. You come to the card, and when you tap on this, it tells you what it is, wait, and you can say what it is before then. Wait is cherry before you, and when you tap there, you hear what I say. So let's go to another card. Okay, I think I pretty much know how this works. So we go to the next card. The next card we have look. So in look, I'm gonna say, okay, look is lay, and I can play it. Lay, I'm correct. Then I can hear lay the recording and all of that just to verify. And you can do this for all the cards that we have. All the cards, the one-word sentences. Never mind in Igbo is hapwa. Okay, leave me alone. It's enough is ozola. You see, you can play the flashcard game, and you can go back to where we're coming from, and you can learn instead. You see, you can pick the option to learn, and when you pick the option that you want to learn, you see welcome to learn, answer every term correctly twice to finish. You see, you have 30 stuff remaining, familiar and known well. These are the signs you're going to see. So the ones that you know well are going to be ticked double. The ones that you're familiar with are going to be ticked once. The ones that are remaining to be learned are going to be counted for you. So in familiar, we don't have anything there. In known well, we don't have anything there. So let's play. So this is the learning. I'm learning. So hello is what? I have options. I have kosi, I have ebe, I have bilie, I have kedu. Hello is hi, hello is kedu. And we know that already, so I'm going to click kedu, and that is correct. So we have it's enough. It's enough in Igbo. It's not Ibiala, it's not Hapowa, it's not Ekula, it's Ozuola. I'm going to take that. You see, it has put 2 in my familiar. And if I say wait is not were, wait is not ebe, wait is not cherem, wait is chere, but I'm going to make a mistake on purpose and click chere. You see, it has told me study this. You see, it's told me to study this, and I'm going to listen to the chere. Yes, that's chere. Wait is chere, and then what I clicked was cherem. You see, so it's giving me all of these options and all of this thing to, and it's going to, I'll say okay, continue, and I'm still having 28. I'm not familiar with that. You see, so you can play this game and play it as much as you want just to learn more things. And I can come here and say, okay, I don't want to learn, I want to test. I want to go to test. You see, I can come over to test, and in test, you say 5 written questions. Leave me alone. I'm going to write the answer. Welcome. I'm going to write the answer. Wait for me. I'll write the answer. Enter. I'll write the answer. You don't say. I'll write the answer. Matching. 5 matching questions. Dash is I know. Nyem, bata, teta, and amam, and laba. So I'm gonna have to match the right one with like I know is amam. So these are the questions that keep dosa, and I'm gonna have to write the answers for this. Amam, no. For this, I'm going to pick D. D is amam. Wake up is teta, that is C. Go to bed is laba, and that is E. Coming is bata, that is B. Then give me is nyem, that is A. It's very exciting, I must say. It's very exciting what Quizlet has done for us here. And then I have true or false. True or false questions. Look is le. Is that true or is it false? It's true. Who is ebe? It's not true, it's false. Wait is were? No, that is false. Follow me is cherem? No, doesn't sound right, that's false. You started again. Ibiala. This is quite tricky because Ibiala is you've started again. Ibiala is you're welcome. So this is false. And when you finish, you can check the answer. Because I didn't want to go ahead to write all these long ones and all of that, I'm not going to check the answer. But since it's a demo, let me just do the answer and show you. Not at all. Not at all. What is not at all? Mbano. And then pota, say what? Say what? Is isi? Isi? Alright then, is ngwano. Come out is pota. And we had the true and false, true and false, true and false. So let me answer this. Leave me alone. Hapum with M. Hapum. Welcome. Welcome is ibiala. For this exercise, welcome is no, but for this exercise, in what we presented in the 31 word sentences, we said welcome is ibiala. Wait for me is cherem. Enter is enter. Enter is banye, but I'm going to write bia to fail it, so we'll see. You don't say is ekula, but I'm going to write ese just for demo, so we fail it and see what it does, because I've pretty much answered all the other questions correctly. So let's check answers. We've taken the test, right? So let's check answers. Let me see. Okay. 80%. We failed happen. There's a spacing in the M. Welcome. Ibiala with a question. Not Ibiala. Ibiala with a question. Then wait for me. Cherem. Then enter is banye, not bia. Then you don't say is not isi, but ekula. You get the corrections and you get things that you got right. Quite interesting. And you see all the other ones that you scored and how you scored correctly, or if you scored wrongly. It's going to show you your scores, and you can create new tests and or what have you. Just go over it again and again until create new test helps you go over the test again and again until you get it right. And it's going to repeat those questions that you didn't get, just to help you get them correctly. So it's going to ask you at some point to sign up so you don't lose your progress. And if you want to stay with me on Quizlet and sign up and take the quiz and all of that, go ahead to do that. Go ahead to do so. Sign up and I tell my one-on-one students to sign up though, but you can decide to sign up or not. Just come back and play the game anytime. But if you're interested in your progress and interested for it to keep reminding you those words that you failed and those words that you got correctly, then you may want to sign up or not. So that would depend on you. Okay. So we are back to the one-word sentences, and I want to show you the matching game. So my last try, see the test, it's recorded the test for me. My last try was 80%. So now we come to the matching game, and I want to play the match game. So it's told me make everything disappear, and I'm going to have to match terms with definition and all what have you. So I'm going to start game, and my time has started counting by the second. Never mind is hapwa. Teta is wake up. Ozola is enough. Nyem is give me. Get up is bilie. Ngwano is alright then. And you got first place and unlocked the match badge. You see, you score 19.5 seconds. Your score 90.5 seconds puts you on blah 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 blah. I can play again. It's trying so hard to get me to sign up. The thing about them wanting you to sign up is when you sign up as a teacher, you get to pay to have customized tests the way I have them. I have these tests like this. For you to be able to have this, you have to pay them some money, and when you pay them some money, that is good business for them. So they give you this platform where you can do a quiz, and where you can do a quiz, and they want you to sign up and get whatever. So that is it. So you can come to my link here on Instagram and just click and follow my Instagram page. I have a lot of things going on Instagram. Like I share with you many things happening on my page. We just have 432 people here, and I'm going to exclusively be continuing the card thing that I do on Instagram. You see this card thing we're doing? I'm hungry. Agra Bialam. So all of this is going to be continuing here on Instagram. They are too short for me to be putting on YouTube. Maybe YouTube once in a while I'm going to compile and put, but all of them will be continuing here on Instagram. So you want to catch daily learning of all these Igbo things that we do, then you're welcome to my Instagram. So my name once again is Prince Obiefle, the very handsome man you're seeing right here. Yes, I'm Prince Obiefle, and this is Igbo Made Easy. Cardi.